morning, guys. So today we are going to be doing an inspired piece by Pier1, and it's their vases. I love the look of those vases. So today we're just going to use something from the Dollar Tree, okay? So we're going to need some doilies, and it's their white lace vases. I love those vases. And you're also going to need some type of vases, all right? Any vase of your choice because it's inspired, all right? So I got two vases. They sell a large one and they sell a small one, so I got a small one, all right? And you're going to need some Podge. You might need some scissors, and you're going to need a type of brush to stroke the Podge on, okay, guys? So the small one from Pier1 costs $46.99. The large one costs $69.99, okay? So it brings our total to $116.98. But I only paid $2 for these products. I already had the large one, so I didn't have to worry about that. I already had the glue. Only thing I had to purchase was a pack of doilies and one more vase. So $2. So it saved me a total of $114, guys. $114 savings? Yes, I think so. So if you want to see this inspired piece, stick around. Alright guys, here's the finished look. I'm gonna be honest with you. It took a lot of Mod Podge and a lot of elbow grease to get these things to stick on. So you will have to definitely Mod Podge your glass and also Mod Podge the back of your doily to stick it on, and then Mod Podge over top of it. But this is the finished product, and I absolutely love it. I'm so happy that I saved myself $114 for this product. But what do you guys think?